The installation video. First, get out of all items from the package. There are wireless monitor, wireless backup camera, power cords, brackets for monitor, cigarette lighter adapter, antennas, sunshade, and screws. Next, we will install the antenna. Now I take out the 3M stick. Tear off the paper. Stick it on the monitor. The bracket's angle can be adjusted like my way. Can fix the camera on your car like my way. Next, we take down screws of the monitor. Try to install fan-shaped bracket. Rotate and loosen the screw. Clamp into the bracket, like my operation. Tighten the screw. Then install the bracket on the back of the monitor. Slide the cube into the back. Tighten the screw, like my operation. The bracket can be adjusted flexibly. Now I take out the 3M stick. Tear off the yellow paper. Stick it on the bottom of the bracket. You can stick it on the dash. Now we will demonstrate how to the windshield mount. Rotate the screw on the windshield mount, like my way. Move the cube. Take up the back of the monitor. Slide the cube into the back of the monitor, like my way. You can adjust the position you want. Tighten the screw. You can mount it on the windshield. If you want it, you can contact us by email. Install the antenna on the camera. The antenna needs to face upwards. Take out the one power cord. Plug the connector of the monitor. Take out the other power cord. Plug the connector to the camera. Now connect the white wire to the white wire of 2 power cords. Connect the red wire to the red wire of 2 power cords. Take out the cigarette lighter adapter and green connector. Use the tool to loosen the screw. Insert the mixed red wire into the positive plus clot of the green connector. Tighten the screw. Insert the mixed white wire into the negative clot of the green connector. Tighten the screw. Connect green connector to the connector of cigarette lighter adapter. Plug the adapter to the power. Press the button. the monitor appears the image. Now we test the camera. Cover the camera with your hand. You can see the red lights. Take down the connection. Plug the cigarette lighter adapter to the monitor. Plug the cigarette lighter adapter to the power. Press the red button. The red wire connects to the positive while the white to the negative. Now we install the SD card. Loosen the screw. Remove the back cover. Insert SD card. The SD card has a maximum capacity of 128 GB. Open the power supply. Yellow indicates that the 3D card has been inserted. If you want it, you can contact us by email. There are 7 keys: power key, plus minus, CH1, menu, OK, V key. Press the power key. You can open or close the image. Press the CH key. Can switch CAM1 into CAM3, CAM4 and quad. Press the CH key. Return camera 1. Press the menu key. You can see the 8 icons. The first icon is pairing. Press the OK to enter the pairing. Reconnect the power. The pair signal is successful. Press the menu to exit. Plus or minus can switch to the second icon. When the icon turns into yellow, press the OK can enter. There are 4 icons: brightness, contrast and saturation sound. Press the OK can enter. The yellow icon turns into red. You can adjust its brightness through plus and minus. Press the menu to exit. Use the plus and minus key to switch. Press plus and minus key to adjust the data. Other icons can be adjusted as the same operation. Press plus and minus key to mirror flip icon. Press the OK key to enter the menu mode. There are 4 ways normally: mirror, flip and mirror flip. You can press plus or minus key to adjust the direction. Press menu back to the menu mode. Press OK key into split mode. There are 8 forms. Press the menu key to enter. Press the CH key. Press the CH key. Press the CH key again. Switch camera 2 into the 2 split screen. Press the CH key again. Return camera 1. Press the menu to exit. The 5th is to set on or off of the installed cameras. If you do not use this function, you can close it. Press OK key to select the first item. Through plus and minus key. Press the OK to enter. Press the menu to exit. Press the CH key can enter split mode. There is no signal for camera 2. With the same way, you can on of the cameras. Enter the system. For the sixth, you can set time, language, FPS, auto sensing guidelines. Choose guidelines. Press the OK to enter. When the icon turns from yellow to red, you can press the plus key to open the guidelines. Press the menu key back. Guidelines appear. Press the menu key. Press the menu to exit. The seventh icon can play video. Plus or minus key can switch to the second option. Press the OK to enter. Plus or minus key can switch to the second option. Press OK key to play video. Press the menu key back. Also, you can use the V key to play video directly. Press the OK key. You can set on or off of the automatic video. Test the second camera. Put through the power. Press CH to camera 2. Enter the menu. Press the pairing. Reconnect the power. The pair signal is successful. Now, we need to check whether the camera is powered on. Look at my hand. Press the middle button of the camera. 14 lights are on. Again, we test the camera 3. Other operations are same as the camera. Other operations are same as the camera. The process of connecting the camera to the lamp line. T-taps. T-taps has 2 holes and 1 hole is closed. The long line is the line of the lamp or the circuit line on the car. Thrust the car light line into the first hole. Camera power cord. Plug the power cord into the second hole. Iron sheets. Clamp the iron sheet to the tap's bottom.